Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August 21st, 2020. British retail sales surpassed pre-pandemic levels. Data from the Office for National Statistics show that retail sales in the United Kingdom surpassed their pre-coronavirus level in July due to opening of stores which sell non-essential goods. The unexpected surge reflects the strength of consumer demand even as other parts of the economy struggle to recover from consequences of COVID-19. Retail sales jumped 3.6% compared with June, exceeding all analysts' forecasts, and rose 1.4% from July 2019. Compared with February this year, before Britain was broadly affected by the pandemic, sales were up 3%. World shares rise but had to weekly decline. Global shares rose on Friday but were on track for their weakest week in months as investors were confused by uncertain economic data and high estimates after a strong recovery of coronavirus losses. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan climbed 1.1% as indexes in Korea, Taiwan and Hong Kong repaired Thursday's losses. Japan's Nikkei added 0.4% but was headed for a 1.4% weekly drop. Futures for EuroSTOXX 50 increased 0.4%, FTSE futures were 0.1% higher, and S&P 500 rose 0.3% in the wake of another tech-inspired record intraday high on the index. U.S. aims to relaunch sanctions on Iran. The United States announced the aim to restore UN sanctions on Iran, including an arms embargo, claiming that Tehran violated a nuclear deal struck with world powers in 2015. Despite Washington abandoning this nuclear agreement 2 years ago, it submitted a letter to the 15-member UN Security Council accusing Tehran of non-compliance, starting a 30-day countdown for a renewal of UN sanctions. Meanwhile, Germany, France and Britain described the U.S. attempt as incompatible with their efforts to support the already fragile nuclear deal, while Russia and China said it was illegitimate. Facebook faces criticism due to Indian content. An Indian parliamentary committee plans to question Facebook, which has more than 300 million users in India, its biggest market, on how the social media giant regulates political content in the country. Facebook and its top executive in India, Anhi Das, are facing criticism after a news report said she opposed applying hate speech rules to a politician from India's ruling party. Due to this, the company has been summoned to appear on September 2nd before the Information Technology Panel, which considers issues like social media abuse. The subject is serious because of Facebook's extensive reach in India and the potential for hate speech to incite violence and other unlawful behavior, said one of the panel members. However, Facebook did not respond to a request for comment.